Welcome back to AI Game Dev Showcase. Today we're exploring PicLumen, an AI art tool that can spark instant inspiration for game developers. Let's see how far we can push it. Let's start with environments. Picture needing a forest level in Unreal Engine. You type this in, and seconds later you've got atmospheric references ready to inspire your design. Landmarks and points of interest are key for world building. Here, an abandoned watchtower instantly becomes a focal point for quests or exploration. PicLumen can even handle smaller props. Here's a glowing rune chest, perfect as a starting concept for an inventory item or 2D icon. And of course, characters. You don't need to sketch for hours to imagine your hero or enemy. With one prompt, you can instantly explore a look and feel for your next protagonist. PicLumen isn't about final assets. It's about ideas. A tool to spark creativity, experiment with styles, and bring your vision to life faster. Whether you're building in Unreal Engine or any other game engine, concept art like this can guide every step of development. This is just the beginning. With PicLumen, AI brings your game worlds to life. Don't just watch, create. Thanks for watching. Click like and subscribe for more AI Showcase videos.